The weekly code quiz. What is the box model in CSS? So the box model in CSS means that each HTML element is treated as if it has an invisible box around it. CSS allows you to create rules so that you control the presentation of each individual box and its contents. What is the difference between margin and padding in the context of the box model? In this illustration, we see an HTML element, a text element, and you see that the border marks the invisible box surrounding it. The padding is the space from that invisible border, and the contents, which is a text element in this case. Increasing the padding often helps the legibility of a text element. The margin is the space from the invisible border to the next element, so that by widening the margin, you can add space between elements. How are a block and an inline element different? In the next example, we will look at a browser page with a header and paragraph text. We will look at how it displays, and then we will also look at how it is seen by CSS, i.e. with invisible boxes around each element. We will also differentiate what we mean by a block and an inline element. Block elements always start on a new line. Inline elements flow within the text and do not start on a new line. In this example, we have block elements marked in blue, while we have inline elements marked in green. Some elements are represented in our example, while others are not. So for example, we see that the body element, number 1, encloses all the elements and it is a block element. Our H1 heading element, number 2, is also a block element, as would be H2 to H6 elements that are not represented. And finally, the P or paragraph text, number 3, are also block elements. We do not have a div element represented, but it is considered a block element. We have 2 inline elements represented, italic, text, or the I element, number 1, and 2 link or A elements, number 2. Other examples of inline elements that are not represented are the B or bold element, the image element, and the M element, and the span element. List examples of block elements. Body, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6 are all headings. P, or paragraph text, div. List examples of inline elements. I, italic text. B, bold text. A, links. Image. M, emphasized text. And span. Presented by Designers Learn Code.